In this video, we will be looking at the features and benefits of the GT Flow Center. This video will explain what is non-pressurized, reliable and attractive construction, simple installation, easy to operate and maintain. The B&D Non-Pressurized Flow Center pumping stations operate on the concept of static pressure. Static pressure is created by a constant column of fluid in the canister of the flow center. This column of water creates a 0.042 psi per foot of fluid. This column of water creates a 0.042 psi per foot of fluid. The flow centers maintain approximately 1.30 psi, which is well above the static pressure requirement for all inline wet rotor pumps to move the fluid in the canister at a constant rate of flow or GPM throughout the geothermal system. The fluid level is always above the pumps, creating flooded suction, which prevents pump cavitation. The GT Flow Center is reliable with its long-lasting, heavy-duty design, allowing it to fit seamlessly into all utility rooms. The GT should be attached to a wall using a wall bracket. The 5-year warranty of the GT Flow Centers provides our customers with peace of mind that we stand behind our product. Wet rotor pumps specifically designed for the industry are reliable and warranted for 5 years. Pump size is determined by calculating the feet of head and GPM of each system. Please refer to the installation guide on our website for pump curve information and pump options. The GT Flow Center arrives as one complete unit, so installation is simple and efficient. The GT Flow Centers are designed to work with only one heat pump per loop filled. With one pump, the GT can handle up to 3.5-ton heat pump, and with 2 pumps, up to a 6-ton heat pump using normal installation practices. Simply connect the return line from the earth loop to the GT Flow Center, and then connect a supply line from the flow center to the heat pump. The GT comes with a 1-inch high-quality brass union female pipe thread inlet connection that adds reliability to the closed loop system. The outlet connections are a 1-inch female pipe thread ball valve connection. The GT Flow Center is easy to operate and maintain. The self-sealing cap protects the system from dirt and debris. Remove the hand-tightened cap to easily add and check antifreeze and flow. The top and bottom ball valves provide pump protection and allow easy pump servicing while the system is still in operation. Thank you for watching. For more information about our products and services, subscribe to our channel or visit our website.